What's up, y'all? I'm back. As you guys saw, this is my new build right here. I'm not gonna go too deep into what's on the car. I'm gonna make a separate video for review. I just wanted to let you guys know Native is back. We're coming back strong, and we're gonna take over YouTube with this puppy right here. So the only thing we're gonna show you guys, wheels and the motor. I'll talk about it later on in the next video, but you guys can basically see a few things that's done to it. But yeah, the car is a 2007 GT500 with a few mods. I picked it up not that long ago, so I know I've been gone for a while, but we coming back, and we coming back strong. So stay tuned, drop a like on this video, and subscribe if you're ready to see some fire content with this.